Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I have a tutorial for you all and a little project share for Happy Crafter Shop. Make sure you guys use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase on anything on happycraftershop.com. She has some exclusive die sets. I won't be featuring those today, but I will be sharing all the little goodies she sent me in the box. And most of the ones we're going to be using today are going to be her beads. So she sent a really cute pastel set. These are some of my favorite right here. These are the cracked beads. Make sure you guys check out my unboxing if you missed it so you can see everything. Stuff tends to sell out very quickly on her site, so you want to run over there and get what you can get, okay? We're going to be using those today. And then she has these beautiful jelly beads. And then she has these. I haven't played with these yet, but they're gorgeous, okay? So today we're going to be making some little like sweet treat and Valentine Day inspired little like candy sticks or wands, if you will. I have showed these on my channel before, but I just wanted to play with the goodies that she sent me and just wanted to bust out my beads. I love playing with my beads. So I just made a quick little dangle. And as you can see, you can hang this on any project. You can actually loop it to another and extend it. I'll probably make a keychain out of this or just dangle it on a project. I'm not sure. But I used her little jelly bead. Here goes those pastel beads here. And then the cracked one in the middle. So that is ready to go. Let's move this out the way. Next, I created this little heart wand. Little love wands, I want to call it. And these are actually heart beads from last year. Lisa, if you watch this, you need to bring these back, girl. They're my favorite. They're a really beautiful matte heart bead. And I created this little wand. Then I created some cute little candy sticks. I wanted, the whole thing is like birthday themed. But there's like a lot of sweets and stuff like that that came in the box. So, I don't know. It just was giving me like sweet treat vibes. So I wanted to create these little candy sticks. And let me know if it's giving candy stick. I think it is. Really cute. And then last but not least, I made this one. This one I made previously on another video a couple years ago. But I wanted to redo it and use these beads that she sent this time. So let's get started. I don't want to make this long. I also used these little long beads from Dollar Tree. Let's grab some out. We're going to make 2 of these today. Okay, you're gonna need a head pin or an eye pin. And so I'm using these eye pins from Hobby Lobby. But guys, like I said, everything on her site sells very quickly. She has sold a lot of these things on her site previously. So you might have some in your stash from her. This is an eye pin where it has a little loop on the bottom where you can dangle things. Or you can use a head pin or a ball pin. A ball pin is one that has a ball at the end, and then a head pin has like a flat. It's flat on the bottom. So check out my beaded playlist down below. I have tons of tutorials and inspiration. If you guys want to get into, if you're new to beading or stuff like that, you'll learn a lot. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take this. And my favorite thing to add whenever I'm beading are daisy spacers. They're these little tiny things here. So let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab our eye pin. We're gonna loop a daisy spacer, and then let's make the candy stick first. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put 2 of these longer beads, and these head pins are 2 inches long, if you're, just in case you're curious. I like to use 3-inch ones. This is what I have on hand right now, and I don't want to make these too long, so this is perfect for me. We're gonna go ahead and add another daisy spacer. So we have a daisy spacer, 2 long beads, another daisy spacer, and then we're just gonna go ahead and put our little, make our candy stick by adding our little cracked beads. So choose 3 colors. Let's do this mint. I'm really loving the yellow, guys. I had to add another yellow, and then I'll grab a pink. So I grab these 3 colors here, and let me see, what do I want to start? Let's start with the green one. So every time I put down a cracked bead, I don't know if that's the right term for this. I think it's not. Let's grab another daisy spacer. Let me grab some more. So like I said, guys, I just really love to play with my beads. These are going to be perfect to dangle onto projects. There's just so many possibilities with these things. All right. There goes my little daisy spacer. So every time I do one of these beads, I'm gonna add a daisy spacer. Let's go with our next color. Let's do yellow. Another daisy spacer. And then a pink. Okay. And then as you can see, I just have a little bit of space. If I would have used a longer one, then I could have kept going. I could have added a topper. But I'm going to use what I have, and I'm going to take my round nose pliers, which are these, and I'm going to place my wire at the very tip because I want it to be a very small hole. There's not a lot of, you know, space. So I'm just going to go ahead and clamp that and turn. Just turning until I can't turn no more. Be careful. You don't want to turn this too much because you will break your beads. So just like that, you guys, you have this cute little candy wand is what I'm calling this. And let me know if this is giving that, guys. Let me know if it looks like a little candy stick or a little candy wand. It definitely will. You'll see it, you know, once I put it with the projects, candy themed projects. I think that it will definitely give that. Okay, now let's make this one here. So we're gonna go ahead and take our eye pin. We're gonna add one daisy spacer. Oop. And we're gonna go ahead and bead 3 of these longer beads. Three. And then I have this really cute bow bead in my stash. I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And I'm gonna choose one of her pastel balls. Let's do this one. Whenever I'm using something that's like kind of simple like this, I love to dress it up with a bead cap. So before I put that bead cap, I don't like spaces in between my projects when I'm beading. So I'm gonna add this daisy spacer to level it out. And then I will add a bead cap, add our bead, and then finish it off with a bead cap. And there you have your cute little wand. Isn't that adorable? It's giving like lollipop to me. I'm gonna call this a lollipop. So I'm gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the tip and roll. This one I have a little bit more room. So I'm just gonna keep rolling until I can't anymore. Again, not too tight because this will break on you. And there we go. There goes our little lollipop, little beaded lollipop. So guys, I hope that you found some inspiration. And this one's kind of self-explanatory. I used 3 of the long ones and then the heart, okay? So same thing, guys. You can go crazy and make all sorts of these. And these are just perfect, like I said, for your sweet treats or Valentine theme or even birthday theme, because I feel like this box is birthday themed. So it will go with any of those, guys. Let me know down below what you guys think about this project. I hope that you guys were inspired, and I will catch you in the next video. I will leave Happy Crafter Shop's website linked down below along with my coupon code and that playlist for the beaded projects as well as for Happy Crafter Shop, all right? I love you guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.